Hello viewers, this is Miss Absad Island and I'm making a video after many weeks, I know. But I was really demotivated by the sort of feedback I was getting. I really wanted people to understand what I want to say. So I was not getting that sort of a feedback, nor like, nor comments. I was continuously telling in all my videos, please say something, comment something, reply, and that will actually give me a boost to make further videos. Uh, it took a lot of time for me to again come up with a video because I was thinking, should I continue with my channel? Are people actually liking this channel or not? So I was in a dilemma, you can say. But today I came up because suddenly it dawned on me that the world is at a verge of destruction. There are so many things going on, and I'm not saying that in few days it will be all over and gone. No, we are not in that condition, but very soon we are actually heading towards destruction in many ways. It can be environment wise, it can be society wise, it can be moral and spiritual degradation of humanity. Many things were going on in my mind, and I thought I should share it with my viewers, the few people who actually want to listen to what I have to say. So I thought of sharing all of that with all of you. So today I came up with the thought that all of us are in lockdown. Most of the states in our country, we are all in lockdown. And right now I'm staying in Raipur, and we have complete lockdown since 9th of this month. So there are people, they're frustrated, depressed, and they don't know what to do during this lockdown. It's a very serious time, and we are really worried about our health, about our family's health. We don't know what to do, whether we'll survive or not. Many people are very pessimistic, and they're saying, what should we plan about our career, because our career is at stake, and anything can happen any day. So it's the future is uncertain. So why should I think or make plans from now if we don't know what we are going to do in future? So I thought of sharing some tips with you, which will help you to overcome this depression and this few days which you have in your hands. Don't let them go. If you are at your home and you're feeling depressed, you can't meet your friends, or your daily course of life is disrupted, don't let go of yourself and do something fruitful. You can gain knowledge in any way. See, there are books is always an option. You can read ample amount of books you want, the according to your liking. May it be story books or fiction, non-fiction, poetry, whatever you want. So you can take a look at it. Other than that, you have nowadays internet is in our hands, and we can use it in n number of ways. So you have YouTube, you have lots of videos, and you have lots of educational videos actually. So one thing which crossed my mind, I was listening to few ladies around in my area, and we talk a lot about our culture, our wisdom, and how we evolved to this day, and how the Western culture is destroying whatever we have. So after I'm not saying I'm all knowledgeable, I know everything, but whatever I've known till date, most of the people, we don't know that what are the roots, what are our roots. So if you really have a knack on this subject, so you can go and research on this particular topic. You can really search for it. We have a tendency of hearing wise people around us, and then we become a spokesperson of that particular genre, and we try to babble whatever comes in our mind. And like a radio, whatever we heard from other people, we'll just say ha, like our culture is being destroyed, abhi हम लोग तो कुछ भी नहीं है, like sab khatam ho jayega, other people's culture is coming inside our country and this and that. So I'm not saying it's wrong or right, that's another question. But what is our culture? That's a big question that you have to answer first. So you can go on and research, keep a topic in your mind which you hear most of the time. So then you can go on and research on that particular topic, know its base, 5,000, 10,000 years before, when the civilization came into being, and how everything developed, and how the society and the culture was at that moment, and then how it developed, how it evolved, how people came with new ideas, and the society started growing. um, and slowly the ideologies changed, and we were ruled by many people, many other cultures, and other countries came and ruled over us. So that effect is also there on our minds. So what effect that it did on our minds, that is also very important to understand, because that is also a part of our uh, this the culture that we follow now. So before just giving comments on how the culture is, or way of following this and that, we should know our roots very well. There are many answers that are hidden within our own culture, uh, back in the time when we never thought that such intelligent people were there in our culture. So we should really look for our roots before commenting. So that is one way of killing your time. You can sit and you can research a lot of things from research papers, or any material that you get online. You can watch videos on YouTube. There are many people who are doing this kind of researches, and they're putting on videos. But I'll also tell you, in the videos there are many things which you don't believe blindly. Don't believe anything blindly. If any word is stucking in your head, please go on and research on that, and see whether the things that are said by those people, whether they all are correct or not, and then only go and believe it. So you have a lot of work to do. You can learn many things. You can learn cooking. That goes for both the genders. You can learn cooking, but because that's one thing that is, you can say, the survival instinct that we have to put food in our bellies. So thinking of that thing, that it's gender oriented, there are women to do the cooking stuff. Do it yourself, because as human beings we all are hungry. We all have our stomach, and all, I think everybody in the world should learn how to cook and to feed themselves, rather than being dependent on someone else. So that is one thing that you can learn. You can learn to do your job, which you never thought you'll do it, with your own hands. You can give it a try. Wake up and do meditation is one thing. I know people hate. There are a few haters of meditation, though we say a lot of things about it. People are saying, ah, मुझसे तो नहीं होगा. So I have tried a lot of times to make them understand. There are ample number of videos on YouTube about its effects and its good sides, but people are adamant. So I'm not getting into that any further. So if you want to exercise and keep yourself healthy, if you keep yourself healthy, so that will be a immunity, that will be an immunity booster for you. So if you think you want to boost your immunity, so you can go for exercise, learn exercises. There are so many YouTube videos for this and that. At least for looking beautiful you can do that, or looking have a good physique or something, you can do whatever you want at your home. So plan your work schedule in such a ways that you have so many activities to do, that you will enjoy the lockdown, as well as grow as a character, without just thinking and staring, oh, I'm so bored at home, I don't have anything to do, I'm pessimistic, I don't have any friends, nobody's calling me, I'm not going out, and stuff like that, which we hear a lot these days, because of the serious condition of coronavirus. So yes, the country is at risk. There are many factors behind it, but without going into any sort of detail, because there are so many videos made of it and you have news going on all the time, so I don't want to bore you with all that stuff. But I just came up with this video to tell you there are many things that you can do with your free time, so don't ponder on negativity. So please be positive and keep on the positivity, and please inspire others around you to learn something and build up on their character, and not to have a losing sort of mentality. So best of luck to you guys. We will all sail through this time together, holding our hands. So don't worry, we are all together, and humanity has to stand up. And when we look back at these times, this the testing times, and we will learn many things from these times, and it will be in our history books from 30 or 50 years from now. Children will be learning from here, like how we faced it and what happened to our country. So whatever test is being taken on us, we will definitely go and sell through it. So don't worry about it. Though there are many families which are being affected and they are in a very bad shape, but sitting here in a lockdown condition at home, we can hope and pray for everybody around us, and give a moral boost to everybody. And there's not much I can say about it, and not much I can do, though the government has many things in their hands and they can do a lot of they can take a lot of initiative to improve the position of the people. So I hope the government will do that in the coming times. So this is here Miss Apsadal and signing off. Hope to see you soon. If you do like my video, please subscribe and like this channel. Otherwise I was getting demotivated of doing more and more videos. I thought of coming up with fun videos and all, but then I was not getting enough feedback to do so. I'm really looking forward to more and more people understanding what I meant to say. This is not a fun video and stuff, but a very important one. So keep up the good work you are doing, and hope to see you soon. This is Miss Apsadal signing off. Thank you.